Now when I'm looking at this, I might go to the grab brush, and now I feel like kind of looking at again at that silhouette, just on that edge line is all I'm really concerned about, this edge line right here. And if I want to see it from the front, I can press obviously 1 on the numpad. Whoa. I'll press, let's see, there we go. And now here again, just slight edits if I see that. I think what might be more important is even the from this view here. And let's not forget, I could turn on the extras, and I could really kind of now I can really see kind of better where this is. I don't want to get hung up on that, you know, too early. I feel like, but especially with the face, I feel like it's good to kind of see this stuff. And I'm looking at, now here, what I might do is I might go in with the clay strips. And by the way, if I do this, shift spacebar, I can see clay strips, the shortcut is C. So if I just press C while I'm in sculpting mode, it'll go to clay strips there. Now what I can do is I'm just going to kind of go like that. And I'm just going to kind of make a line right here. And you can see I can see exactly where that is. And clay strips, I want that to be negative. So let me try that again. There we go. And I can start to see where that is. Now when I move it, it's going to automatically go into kind of perspective mode unless I press 5. And if I'm in 5, I can kind of stay in this orthographic mode. And now, again, I'm just kind of finding this form. So I think that I can start to see with that line, I can see what that is, where I'm going to kind of go ahead and kind of go back to plus. And then I can see that that line kind of comes straight out from here. Yeah, I'm going to go to clay strips instead. There we go. And then I can kind of see that that kind of comes down here like that. And, you know, kind of slowly but surely I can kind of start to see the form of the face kind of start to come together here. Anytime there's kind of a hint of you know, something that needs to be done, I can kind of start to see this jaw muscle. Even down here, I'm going to kind of go like this. And For the eyes, I'm going to eventually kind of work these eyelids in there. So I feel like it looks like the eyes are sticking out too much right now. And that's normal at this kind of stage in the game. Again, just getting the major kind of forms blocked in. And then even down here, maybe, ooh, I can see that looks kind of extreme there. So looking at it at these, other angles can really be helpful. And then again, if I press 5, that's going to bring me back to perspective mode. And you can see how much, how different it looks in perspective. And I feel like we're going to have to respect perspective mode at some point, but I feel like we can start to see the value of kind of this orthographic mode that I've been sculpting in, where we kind of just kind of get a clean feel of the structure of the muscles and how they kind of relate to one another. And again, maybe turn off my extras. There we go. You'll also notice that it's like I don't necessarily finish one area before I go on to the next. Like it's not like I have the body completely done. I'll kind of by design and on purpose jump around the model because I feel like I almost want like fresh eyes to be looking at it. And I don't want to even overwork one area. I want to make sure that it's all kind of working together. And I can start to see that this is starting to come together.